What's going on, guys? What's going on? It's CJ, and I'm doing an unboxing video today. Before I even get into anything, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more of that shit. All right, guys, let's get into it right now. Well, today, I just got the Google Pixel Buds, and I'm pretty excited. I don't know about you guys, but I think they can give Apple a run from their money, huh? So we're going to get right into it. Ooh, we're going to cut that box open, get it on both sides. Then right down the middle, guys. Smells like new pods. We're gonna open it up. Got some paper. Oh, and here we are, guys. Here we go. There they are. Amongst the paper, got the buds, the Google Pixel Buds. Can you believe that? So let's check this shit out, all right? Set this up here. We're going to open this. Cahoons. Okay. I don't know how to open this. I have no idea. It's surrounded in plastic. Set it right there. I love how crisp and clean this looks. Take off. There's a nice lady sporting the pods. I got the white ones. I almost went with the mint, but I thought the mint was a little pretentious, so I went with the white. Cahoons, they can't see. Here we go. Cahoons. Oh, and here we go. So right there, you got some of the gel things, right? And then there's the egg right there, guys. There's the egg right there. So what I'm going to do, open this up. Ooh, it's got a nice matte finish. Super nice. Heavy. It's got some weight to it. And here we go. Oh, boy. And I just got a notification. Pixel Buds will appear on devices linked with my email. That's fantastic. I won't set them up right now because I'm recording this unboxing video, but oh, there's a little magnet, holds them in there. That is nice, guys. So nice. It's got the little, Collins Pixel Buds. Look at that. Already charged and they connected already. That's crazy. It comes with a little USB-C to USB, which I don't have, which will be nice to add to the repertoire. And then what else is in here, huh? A cute little booklet. A couple booklets. It's in Spanish. He's got all the controls right here. And the user agreement. You always make sure to read the entire user agreement because you don't know what you're agreeing to. I think we all learned something like that with that South Park episode. But anyway, guys, these are the Google Pixel Buds. Yeah, this is the right one right here. I'm going to do a follow-up video on the quality, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more of that shit. All right, CJ out.